Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Jamaica amongst 4 Pan-American Health Organization member country who are going to get 1.3 million doses of the coronavirus vaccine from America, Canada, Germany and Spain. The Grace Kennedy Foundation, GKF, give over 24 million to 92 college students for the 2021-2022 school year. Dr. Angela Brownberg, who was the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Southwest, said she wanted to work as chairman for the People's National Party, PNP. The police said them lock up enough people and them asked them some questions about last week's shooting we go on in a Montego Bay, St. James. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Jamaica amongst 4 Pan-American Health Organization PAHO member country who are going to get 1.3 million doses of the coronavirus vaccine from America, Canada, Germany and Spain. According to Dr. Carissa Etienne, who run PAHO, Argentina, Guyana, Honduras and Jamaica are going to get the vaccine them to help vaccinate them people so life can go back to normal. On top of that, Dr. Etienne said PAHO are going to help Jamaica to ship them vaccine what them get from the World Health Organization WHO through the COVAX facility. PAHO said them help the country them in the region to meet the 40% vaccination target what the WHO set for them by the end of the year. The Grace Kennedy Foundation give over 24 million to 92 college students for the 2021-2022 school year. The award ceremony did keep last week online. According to Grace Burnett, who is the CEO for Grace Kennedy Financial Group Limited, the company glad for what the college students them do over the last 38 years when them get the scholarship money. She said all of the students them who get scholarship go on for build up the country. Plus she said she know the students them who get the money this year are going to do good too. On top of that, she big up Davy and Harriet, who are the 2019 Grace Kennedy Jamaica Scholar who get 4.03 GPA. Dr. Angela Brownberg, who is the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Southwest, said she wanted to work as chairman for the People's National Party, PNP. She said she going to put up herself for the post at the National Executive Council meeting we're going to keep this month end. Right now, Horace Daly is the acting chairman for the PNP. Him did take on the work in July after Philip Powell left the work. The police said them lock up enough people and asked them some questions about last week's shooting we go on in a Montego Bay, St. James. Gunman did shot 10 people and 3 of them dead. The police said them do some operation in some community in a Montego Bay and lock up some people. Plus them find 5 guns where people not have no license for. One of them a one Uzi submachine gun. 10 people did get shot when gunman who did in a one car did about some shot after some man in a one another car on Cottage Road, McCarthy Street and Art Street on October 6th. One little girl who did get shot in her head still in a hospital in a serious condition. Some police and soldiers do one big operation on Yaka Avenue in a Tower Hill, St. Andrew Wednesday gone. The police said them find 1 gun and some bullets where people now have no license for. On top of that, the police said them lock up some people and them are going to ask them some questions. The police said them do the operation for stop the crime and violence we go on in the community and them beg the people them to help them get rid of the gunman them. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.